So we are on our way to a beach. We're not sure what beach it is. But we're in the car with Victoria, Siaosi, Fala, Fui. And that's the car in front of us. So we're going in a truck. There's a small car, there's a black car, and then there's a rental. So tune in and we'll take you on a trip around Samoa. Going to our destination. We're not quite sure where we're going yet. We are currently in Lotofanga. I think there's a police station. This is Guabax Samoa Resorts. Whoa, this is a pretty steep hill. That is so cool. When did they build this? Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. You, of all people, should be the least nervous because you're driving. Oh, there's people cutting. Is there? Oh wow, that is so pretty. Look how beautiful that is. We have to go slow because if you can see, these potholes are the size of Asia, Africa, Australia and Samoa. Guys, this is where Savage recorded his film clip. Good morning, by the way. All you guys have heard is my voice, but you haven't seen me. Siaosi jumped into the truck, so I've got my sister here with me at the front with Eddie.
Please on the track, nigga.
Look at that little thing.
Yes, Sarah, I'll video. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Oh my gosh, we could have swum there.
No way, that's a gravestone.
Okay,
Whose grave?
the tsunami?
No, and then just down there is where all the bad kids are sent to Samoa. That's their college there, yeah.
Down there?
Yeah, that thing there.
Oh yeah.
This is where the tsunami hit. It started from these villages. You can see that some of the houses are like broken, incomplete. They were supposedly were meant to start building a long time ago.
Oh my gosh.
But still, like 7 years later, it's still standing like this. Yeah, all these houses got taken. That one looks like it's newly built. It reached all the way back here. All these houses destroyed.
And where was the mass, the tsunami victims, where was the mass graves? Where are they?
Pretty sure that's in Lalamong. Okay Okay, we've been driving about 30 minutes away from where we were swimming, and the roads in this particular place are quite narrow, so we're having like races, I guess you could say. Oh, wake up there. Oh, sorry. So yeah guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. Look how pretty that is. I'm pretty sure we're in Solo Solo right now, which is like out Alipaka ways, Lalomangu. And it's just really nice. We're gonna go get some food right now. And I look so weird. I've gone so dark, right? We've just stopped off at Biingaki. I can't know. I can't know. I don't know why I can't speak English right now. Just stopped off at Biingati's. I'm having egg bouillon, rice, chicken. Ow! I look disgusting. Yes, I do. You look pretty. So we're eating. Sam's. She looks so cute. Yeah. Are you ugly? Yes. Are you Oleanga? Yes. Hi. What? Tell them your name. Huh? And how old are you? 5 years old. And what school do you go? Skirt! Morning everyone, well probably afternoon in our time. It's Sunday, I just got back from church. I know. I've got my cousins here, you know, Sia, Loko Mawia Inga, Sila Tasolo Walese. She's named after my grandma. Oh, we got Mila here, that's my cousin's wife. And the little one, my other cousin, my little niece. And we got Mary. Oh, that is so fobby. Anyways, we're about to go get some ice cream. Oh, this is my cousin Moon, Marsinga. Mundi. Oh, there's Anna. Moon. Se faz o cara lá, a vela vai cair no YouTube. Yeah. Mo vai no YouTube. Que quero mais tenho. Church was alright. It was the first service without my grandmother, which was quite sad, but it's alright. She's in a better place. I believe she's in heaven, partying it up with the angels. But we're about to get out of here. We're gonna go get some ice cream for everyone. Hi. Hi Maria. Hi. That's my cousin from New Zealand. And she goes to Papakura. What do you go to? Oh, she goes to Kelston. Say hi, Mom. Okay. Aussie's all the way over there. This is my sister's car. That's my black rental over there. That's my grandmother's car, that silver one. That's my cousin's rental from NZ. That's my dad's pickup truck. That's my grandma's other car over there. And there's home. That's a side view of our house. I realize I haven't really given you guys a tour yet. How rude of me! I haven't even given them a tour. Oh my gosh, don't be so rude, Chris. Sorry. Apologize to them. Say sorry, viewers. Sorry, viewers. Oh, why? It's cheaper. It's cheaper. Oh, okay. And it's pretty hot. I leave tomorrow. Siaosi and I leave tomorrow. I want to wake up crying. I don't think we'll. So what? We'll just bring him and I'll hold you. Okay. And I'll drive. Alright. My face is a little bit sweaty because it's really hot. But Siaosi and I leave tomorrow, which I'm a little bit upset about because I don't know when the last time I'm going to come here is now. Because the main reason why we kept visiting was for my grandmother. We had to turn back and get my little nephew, Eddie. They're my cousins. My uncle. So cute. We're taking it down now. Morning guys, we just got back from town and it's our last 8 hours. We leave in a couple of hours. We forgot the vlogging camera at home so you guys couldn't see, but there wasn't much opened anyways because it's a public holiday today. So we had a lot of trouble trying to find like the proper taro chips, but we just ended up getting the cheap ones and quite sad. Can't believe we're leaving now. There's Aussie with mom taking down the decorations now because it's bad luck if you leave up decorations from a funeral. According to the Samoan superstitious stuff, it can bring bad luck. So we're taking them down now. And there's my nephew Miss Cole. Missy Colo. Did you get my missed call, Miss Cole? And that's my cousin Mayama with his big foot.
That's it.
You're not from New Zealand, bro.
That's it. That's it.
Shout out to his girl Sharon in NZ. I can't believe I leave in a few hours. I love Samoa so much. It's just the feeling of being here. Like, it's so boring here, to be honest. But just being here. Just being in this beautiful island. Here's my girl V. How does it feel to be 16 years old? You asked me that before. Yeah, but now you're actually more into being 16 years old. Good. And it feels alright. I just want to grow up older. No, you don't, girl. You do not want to pay these bills. OH&S safety precautions. This is Fob's DIY. Fob's DIY at its finest. Cool.
My shop for chocolate tea. Hey. Oh. Telly. Siaosi. He doesn't want to be famous, guys.
Oh yes, he does.
Malu. Ya, sao kamu? Yo. Dropping names now. Ali missed.
Finished.
Oh, yeah. Lock.
Good evening guys, it's been a very busy day today for us. Aussie.
Yeah.
It is so busy here at the airport. It's like you cannot move at all. I cannot find my family. It took us ages to check in. Didn't have time to put any makeup on. Sweating my ball sacks off. And we had to repack our bags because they wouldn't let us just use... Okay, we both got given 23 kilos and we only had one bag to check in, which was 26 kilos, but they wouldn't let us bypass. They wanted us to have 2 bags under 23 kilos. So we had to repack, then jump back in line and check our bags in. And my sister and my cousin are really upset that I'm going.
Upset.
Oh, what?
Easy boy.
Oh, that was so tiring and
Nah,
sweaty.
it just sucks.
He's Uncle Valu. Oh, he's feeling like...
He's over there, right there.
I'm so sweaty, guys. I don't know where Aussie is. He's talking to everyone. He knows. And I'm so hot. Happy in the vlog. That's my cousin's girl.
Emmanuel. Wait. Handshake. Handshake.
Okay guys, this is how full the airport is. I seriously think the waiting bay needs to be a lot bigger because there's so many irrelevant people who aren't traveling who like to come. It's just so full. Like outside is packed, just absolutely chock-a-block. All the way up until the end over there. Aussie's over there talking to his cousin. There's my uncle. We're traveling with him. So we just arrived in New Zealand airport and it's changed so much. There used to be couches in this area. I'm not sure if you're familiar, but I always used to I have done this stopover from Samoa so many times. There used to be like these long couches where you can sleep, and there is none of that because they're currently under construction. It's about 3:15 in the morning. I'm not joking. Like in a few seconds you'll hear what we have to go through. How is anyone meant to get rest before their flight? Listen. Really, New Zealand.
Hi everyone. I'm so tired. It's 2:30 in New Zealand time.
No, it's almost 3:30.
And I feel sick from Samoa. But can't wait to get home and have a
Proper
good sleep.
Rest. Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know what he's complaining about. He slept the whole way on the plane. I kept trying to wake him up to tell him something, and he was just like, honey, you were like this. This eyeball seriously was hidden away over here. Aside from all of that, we're currently waiting for Relay, that shop right there, to open so we can go in and buy some cookie time to take back to Oz.
Hi guys, we're here at Sydney Airport. We miss Samoa so much. Did you miss Samoa?
Yeah, pretty much.
But thanks God for His protection upon us. We arrived safe. Yeah. We're here in Sydney Airport. Catch the bus to going down there. It's pretty chilly.
I'm so tan. Oh my god. Hey, F to the A to the M, fam. We're back here in our house, in our hometown, Canberra. I also, when I got back, I got this in the mail, which is my new pop socket. It's a donut. Ah.
Hi guys. We choose the comment of the day. And the comment of the day. It's us.
No, you can't pick us, please. Are you okay, Baba? Did you have a little accident?
And the comment of the day we picked is from Tana Andrew. Tana Andrew. Love you guys. You're so beautiful, Victoria. Hope you're having a wonderful time in Sa, and hope that you stay strong for your grandmother. God bless. Thank you so much, Tana. That's our comment of the day we picked. And hope you guys are very, very have good time and good day.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like this, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,